Hello viewers, here is the ARX miniature pack. Let's unbox it together. As always, I find the wrapping a bit of a challenge. Inside you will find miniatures for both the base game and the Blighted Reach campaign. First, for the campaign, we have the flagships. The wash effect is great. Second, for the campaign, we have the Imperial ships. Look at those details. Now to the base game. First, the agents. Looks so cute for an agent of the court. Finally, the ships from the base game. I wonder how they will lean on the side when damaged. Looking great though. If you back the Kickstarter campaign for Beyond the Reach and you're considering the miniatures, do not forget to pick up the free 5th Flare miniature set offered during the campaign. See you next time!